This is one of the most important things for any music student of any level. Having a good timing is something that you should be very concerned since the beginning of your guitar journey, because it will help you in many different aspects. I'm Rod Rodriguez. If you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new videos notifications. Working on your timing is crucial. If your timing is bad, you will have serious problems to play in a band or to jam with your friends. It's also very important to help you to develop your technique and speed. That being said, you can see that it's something that we can't ignore. First of all, before talking about the metronome, I want you to understand what the timing is. It's like the heartbeat of the song. It beats in a certain speed and it's constant. You can feel it. A very easy exercise, I want you to clap listening to one of your favorite songs. Feel the music. Feel the heartbeat of the song. Listen to the drums and clap it. That's the first step. Now that you know what that means, we also have to understand that we can play more or less notes, and some notes can last longer than other ones. Let's start it playing one note per beat. That note is rhythmically called quarter note. Now I'm going to play the G major chord once per beat. Really easy, isn't it? Let's push it a little further now and let's play 2 notes per beat. These notes are rhythmically called eighth notes. It's easy to recognize it. Just break the word down like this. Eighth, eighth. I'm going to play the pentatonic scale, 2 notes per string, 2 notes per beat. We can make those 8th notes playing 3 notes per beat. This is called triplets, and it's also very easy to be recognized. Break the word down like this. Triplets, triplets. The next one we play 4 notes per beat, and one more time we can break the word down. I know that it's grammatically wrong, but I'm just trying to make it easy for you to understand it and memorize the name of the notes. These notes are called 16th, 16th, 16th. Can you see how easy it is? Obviously, there are many other groups of notes like 6 notes per beat, 8 notes, 9, 5, 10. But I think you should start with these easy ones first. If you think it's boring practicing with the metronome, don't worry, you can practice with a drum machine or any drum loop from YouTube. It's exactly the same thing, and it should be even more fun. After watching this video, I'm sure it is going to be a game changing for you, and you see how your playing will change after practicing with a metronome. If you still have any questions, it's my pleasure to help you. Please leave your questions in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, this is the right time to do it. You're missing a lot of content that I have been posting every week. If you want to know more about me, you can check my website www.rodrodriguez.net, and if you want to take lessons with me, you can contact me via my website. Thank you very much. See you next time. Be good.